Big Hue Art coming at you. We're going to try something a little different today. Something a little out of my comfort zone. I'm going to make over this desk. It's an antique desk. I got it for a great deal. $20 on Facebook buy and sell. So that was a win in itself. I'm making this desk for my son. We're all going back to school, myself included. I'm a teacher. So I want him to have a nice space for when he comes home to do homework. What you see me doing here is I am priming and painting at the same time with this amazing Rust-Oleum product. It is legitimately just a one coat spray paint. I love it. It's quick and it's easy. And I just had to put one coat on this entire desk. I didn't even sand the desk, just putting it over top of the wood. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that dry overnight, and then we're going to start the design. Part of me almost feels guilty about making this desk over because it is an antique and it has so much character. It has an inkwell where they used to do their handwriting, and it has this cute little drawer that goes underneath the desk. But I know that as it stands right now, it's not going to get used. So I'm going to give it all the little character traits that my son loves so that he has his little space to do his homework. He's going into grade 3, so it's a big year for homework. He needs his own space. As per his request, we have decided to do a galaxy. He's a big Star Wars fan, anything Galactica. I think it's Guardians of the Galaxy he loves, all that stuff. So we're using some blue, some magenta, some violet to create this galaxy scene on the top of the desk. I was actually relieved when he asked me to do a galaxy scene because I've done one in the past and it's pretty easy. You just take a sponge and you put your favorite aurora colors on there and you go from there. I was a little concerned that he was going to ask me to do some type of Lego character, but we're just going to plug away and do this galaxy scene. Put all of these wonderful colors onto the top of the desk, give it some character, and then we're gonna epoxy over top of it all. Stay tuned for the final product.
Next level.
All right, so I was so done 5 minutes ago, but my son insisted on putting these stickers on. It was contentious. He insisted that this galaxy scene needed to have these stickers to make it a galaxy scene. And you know what? It just wasn't worth the fight at this point. So you know what? Here we go. Here's your stickers. So when you're 27, you can have these stickers on your desk. As you can see, I'm about to put the epoxy into the inkwell. My son has picked all his little favorite treasures that we get on all our adventures. We have a couple different pieces of quartz. We have shark teeth, shells. And what's going to happen is I'm going to put a baseline of epoxy into that inkwell. I filled the bottom with cardboard and tape. And then I'm going to place the items inside and sandwich them with some more epoxy. What's going to happen is it's going to dry clear aside from the items that you see. So it's just like a little keepsake area. My son's sentimental. These are the most amazing treasures to him. And then I'm going to epoxy the entire desk. It's going to be a nice clear coat, nice even finish, so that it looks like glass. And so that when he does color on it, I can wash it off with a magic eraser. The epoxy itself takes a good 24 to 48 hours to dry. So once I put this coat on and remove the bubbles with a torch, we're gonna let it sit, which, trust me, was a challenge because somebody wanted to get right in there right away. I'm not gonna say who it was, but he was really excited to try out his new desk. So the torching removes all the bubbles in the epoxy. It doesn't go on super easy. Inside the inkwell, there's a lot of bubbles. So what the heat does is it actually pops those bubbles, removes it, makes it a nice glass finish. Okay, just finishing up the finishing touches, just to look over the epoxy. Hold on, let me just put down my tea here. So as you can see here, all of his favorite things are now epoxied into the circle. You can't get to them. You can almost see through them. I don't know if you can see my hand there, but it's just kind of like a little keepsake area. And we put the epoxy over top of the stickers, so it's like glass. It's very sturdy. I have my hot tea on here. You can't even tell. Perfect. And then we added a little side piece here. If you go into his drawer, these are all stickers and a couple really important keepsakes that he likes. I don't know, he has a lucky quarter. You can't get to it though because I epoxied it all. It's a really cool little drawer, little keepsake area for his stuff. So hopefully this will get him motivated, ready to rock for the new school year. We'll see. He's excited. I'm excited. It's pretty cool. I could probably do 100 of these. This was fun. Thanks for watching Big Hue Art. See you soon.